Hello guys! Magandang araw! Good day everyone! Today we're going to do a challenge for Onson Robot Vacuum. Ang challenge po natin ngayon for our Onson Robot Vacuum is Onson Robot Vacuum versus 1 kilo of rice. We will going to put this into test with 1 kilo of rice. I am going to set this up on our kitchen floor and I will use the isolation strips that comes with it. There's 2 of them that comes in the box. If you remember guys, I did a review about this and I'll put in the link description below about my review of this Onson Robot Vacuum. And I'll set it up. I'll put the timer on for 30 minutes. And for the extra challenge, guys, I'll put a chair in the middle of this area so that you'll see how Onson Robot Vacuums works around the obstacle. Set it up, guys! So, guys, this is our settings. I laid the isolation strip around the edge. So that will be 2 meters by 2 meters. I got the chair in the middle for as an obstacle course, and I'm going to set the timer up on my oven for 30 minutes. Alright guys, and then I forgot to set the timer on. Okay. Timer sets on. guys, this is what we got from Onson. So behind the isolation strip is all the stashes of Onson. So when the brush is spinning, it flickers some rice outside the isolation strip. So this is what we got here. This is the other side of the isolation strip, and this is the side that has been cleaned. So, and for the corner side, this is what we got in the corner, and this is along the edge. So we can see, guys, that there are some rice left, and this is the rice that we had from Onson. Yep. So we missed some bits of rice here as well. I'll brush it up using our tambo. That is our challenge for Onson. 1 kilo of rice versus Onson robot vacuum. So until the next challenge, guys. 1 teaspoon. 2 teaspoons. And 2 teaspoons and a half. Yep. So that's it for now, guys. So see you on the next challenge for our Onson robot vacuum. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't done so. And I hope you enjoy this challenge. Bye!